See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Which one are they do meetings since? Which one are they say very dark man? Put your comment section, put your comment section. The comment section is open. When you're done with the insult, you move on. You see, let me tell you, very dark man will say what very dark man will say. Nobody can do anything about it. Nobody can do anything about it. And mind you, you know,
just listen to what he said about this issue.
Anything I say, I stand
tell me
by
what
it.
You think.
You understand? 100%. You get insulted, the one insult me, go pass the one where they insult me.
Said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think?
You know,
just listen to what he said about this issue. Tell me what you
this one at least our fans. I'll tell you the truth. wizkid should not disrespect fela. And not just that, the way Nigerians disrespect legends in music is wrong.
Tell me what you think.
It's wrong. People need to get past that. You people need to start respecting these people. You ask yourself, because if they talk about big three, let's bring the big three and sit them down. Do they even really have real talent over the people that were in the game before? I mean, because of this generation, this digital generation, we streaming, they favor them.
Just listen to what he said about
David or Burna Boy sing better or are better lyricists than Two-Face Idibia? Do you think they have more vocals than One Decor? Do you think they were better than Style Block?
Just listen to what he said about this issue.
You know how many men be?
In the comment section.
The generation favor them. That's why I say big three words.
This person said about
big three words. What? Come on,
just listen to what he said about
this. Shut up, all of you.
And tell me what you
think
in the comment section.
You have a whole genre of music based off on somebody. You have the audacity all of now. They use because of this thing. They insult fela care.
Just listen to what he said about this issue.
You want to go and do it? Go and do it with Sean Kuti, Femi Kuti. Do it with any of the people. But fela, I learned a lot of things from fela. I know a lot of his lyrics.
Just listen to what he said about this issue.
Come and tell me, tell me what you think in the comment section. So na Grammy na quantify I say person sabi sing Golodo. Nicki Minaj no get Grammy. Snoop Dogg no get Grammy.
What do you think? What do you think?
These people
just listen to what he said about this.
But you know what they don't do for music?
Tell me what you think.
You can't talk about rap without Nicki and Snoop.
See what this person
you talk about the fan base. What's the fan base? What have people done in Nigeria? Shut up your mouth! Shut up! Stupid.
Tell me what you think.
What's fan base? Stupid people.
See what this person said.
All of them put the fan base together. What have people achieved with your fan base?
Just listen to what he said about this.
Tell me.
And tell me what you think in the comment section.
Tell me. Well, fans. We get fans. More than come on ground if they'll see you now. Come and stand for your country. God punish all of you. Both the 30 BGs, both the FC, both the outsiders, all of you. Bam.
And tell me what you think.
Where did they see you now online? Who don't have no. If you stand, you say that my dad will go watch concerts.
About this issue. What do you think?
I say people where they gather go enjoy their self, different from people where they fight for movement. When it reach time, they make men stand for their country. Can people talk? If you chicken out, just be there, you stay behind your keypad, you talk to people where they say,
just listen to what he said about.
You don't trick you before, you don't go jail before, you don't go prison before.
See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what
he said. As long as you do that, you must be careful. Be our level DI, not be anybody needs for this country again. Poor man picky will get influence, no easy.
See what this person said about this issue. What do you think?
Nigeria 3. You can ask us when we buy, say what have we done for the country? We say because of us this thing happened, because of us this thing happened. What can you say for yourself?
I'm a FC
fan, I'm a wizkid fan, I'm a Burna.
Just listen to what he said about this.
Who we ask? I just finished one meeting. Police don't do one thing to somebody.
See what this person said about this issue. What do you think?
Who is that?
Just listen to what he said about this issue. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Now you can drop all your insult, man.
See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think?
So you know, if you near me for you, I go slap you,